Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a western Kentucky field where a John Deere 8295RT track tractor is planting corn with a Kinsey 3600 16-row corn planter. The planter is a split row machine. It can plant 16 rows of 30-inch corn and 31 rows of 15-inch soybeans. Today, the corn planter is no-tilling the crop in the ground, which means the surface of the field is left undisturbed as the seeds go in the soil. This video will share the production history and specifications of the 8295RT tractor, as well as taking viewers up in the cab of the tractor to see the operator's perspective of planting corn 40 feet at a time. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear this planting team in action. As the 8295RT heads back across the field, we can take a look at the turn, and you'll see that even though it has two tracks, there really isn't much berming. Slowing down the speed of the tractor on the turn has not disturbed the headland and the planted seed really any more than a wheeled tractor would have. We can take a look at the imprints here of the tracks. They dig in a little bit deeper on this outside turn, but really not that much more than a tire. Nice easy path around and doing a nice job putting corn in the ground. I'm up in the cab of the John Deere 8295RT. You can see it has nice visibility as it's running across the field here. You can see that its setup's a little different with the steps put over to the left here of the cab. Has a nice mirror. We're seeing the planter behind us. You can look back and see the Kinsey working. Got good visibility down to the 3-point hitch from the operator's seat. You can see it's using GPS technology and auto steer to map the field and also allow the tractor to make perfect 40-foot passes across the field. The tractor's running at just about 5 miles per hour across the field. You can see here you've got your post that has all the information on the tractor's function. See, the muffler is nicely concealed behind the corner post for good visibility. We can see the tracks. The 8295RT track tractor was introduced by John Deere in 2009 as part of the new 8R and 8RT series of tractors. This new model number was a break in tradition that the company had been using for decades. Normally, John Deere tractors had been indicated in series numbers starting with 0, then moving to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70 over the years. John Deere decided to start a new modeling number system with 8 indicating the size and capability of the tractor, the model number, 295 in this case, indicating the engine horsepower of the machine, R indicating that it's a premium tractor, and then T that it is also equipped with tracks. The John Deere 8295RT is built to reduce compaction and improve traction in the field. Here we can see it crossing a muddy area in the field as it's planting corn, and you'll see the tractor basically just glides across the surface of this wet spot. The 8295RT track tractor is powered by a John Deere 9-liter, 6-cylinder, 548 cubic inch diesel engine, rated at 295 engine horsepower, with a maximum power boost up to 322 horsepower when the tractor encounters tough field conditions. It is also rated at 235 PTO horsepower. Customers could order this tractor with 2 different types of transmissions. The first is a full power shift transmission featuring 16 forward and 4 reverse speeds, with speeds available from 0.9 up to 18.9 miles per hour. Customers could also order an IVT or infinite variable transmission with infinite speeds up to 24 miles per hour for road transport. The tractor is equipped with a 200-gallon diesel fuel tank and weighs in from the factory at 34,460 pounds. From 2009 through 2010, John Deere also manufactured an 8295R wheeled tractor. This machine had the same specifications as the track tractor, but it weighed in at a little less from the factory at 27,218 pounds. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field and up in the cab of this John Deere 8295RT track tractor planting corn. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you've enjoyed the content of this video, consider giving it a thumbs up, as it helps alert other tractor fans on YouTube that the video is here to see. Make sure to click on the notifications bell as well, so you'll know when the next Big Tractor Power video is released. New videos are coming out almost every day from the channel. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, please leave them in the comment section below, as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.